What's going on, everyone? AJ here with another episode on using Craft. And in our first episode, we created our own little folder, our own little space. And what I've been able to do is actually, um, let me. I wonder. I wonder if I can copy this. Let me just see something. YouTube. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm actually going to make this a public. Yeah, I'm gonna make this a public space. Uh, Maybe give access to all you guys. And let's go ahead and create YouTube. And we'll just create styling in craft. I'll just say styling. And then what we'll do is I'll go to here, come here, and we'll take all this, cut it, head on over to YouTube, and paste everything. And then I'm going to delete this, delete, and we're going to go back to here. Okay. All right, so yeah, so now we're here, and now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna share the link with everyone. See if I can get you guys in here and just seeing what I'm doing here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a new document and insert adding elements. Okay, so in this episode, what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about adding elements. So when I click this plus here, there's a bunch of different things you can add, right? And Craft makes it easier to do this, right? So if I want to insert some text, I can just drag and drop here, okay? And I can start, typing. If I want to add, like I said, get access before a block or after, you click space when a block is highlighted. So a block is highlighted, I'll click space, okay? When a block is highlighted, I hold in shift and space again, and it goes above, right? Let's bring this menu out. Let's go to plus, and then I can add a code snippet in here easily. So this is code. Okay. I can add math 2 + 2, and I can add cool text. Okay. This is some of my favorites. You know, these separators. So some pretty cool separators. And yeah. And then, adding photos is very easy. You just drag and drop. But I also want to show you guys, you can also access all this stuff by honestly just typing slash. And you can even access text styles. And so, insert snippets. When I click this, it shows all this, right? And I click the left arrow and it goes back. Actions, which we haven't got to yet. I can clear styling, but in this case, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna just type in code, and you can add a code block. And then there you go. So I use slash all the time to create quick to-dos, but yeah, those are just some quick little tips on how to add elements in Craft. And what we're going to be dissecting next is page details. So I'm really excited to dive into that. Please comment below the apps you are using the most, and other than your the typical social media apps. And I will see you in the next episode.